Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are going to start another new topic, and name of topic is chemical reactions of the alcohols and the phenols. So, topic is chemical reactions, chemical reactions of alcohols and phenols. In this, first we see that alcohol are the versatile compounds and they react both as nucleophiles and the electrophiles. So alcohols reacts both as nucleophiles, and electrophiles. Nucleophiles and electrophiles, both as nucleophiles and electrophiles. Now the two different conditions we have to understand. Alcohols as nucleophiles, You know, nucleophiles means the species which easily attacks to the positive charged area or the nucleus. So when the alcohol behave as a nucleophile, the bond between OH is broken. The OH bond is broken when the alcohol behave as a nucleophile. So in this reaction we see that if alcohol is present in such a manner, that is the alcohol, and now it is attacking on a positive charged species, positive charged carb cation. Oxygen has 2 lone pair of electrons and it attacks on this positive charged carbon. Due to this reason, now what we see that the lone pair of this oxygen is moving on the carbon and new hydrogen bond will form there on that particular carbon, and the positive charge of this carbon disappears. Oxygen is present there with a lone pair of electron, and positive charge is present on the oxygen atom there. So this is the next step. After getting this step, the proton get released from that compound. H is there, and this proton get released from this compound, and we have only the oxygen there with and carbon plus H plus. So hydrogen is released as a H plus proton in such a reaction. So in such case, alcohols are behaving like a nucleophiles. Now alcohols as electrophiles, Now when the condition is in this manner, R CH2OH, this is alcohol there, and in this alcohol what we have, H plus proton is reacting with this alcohol and we are getting the species CH2OH2 plus. This species we are getting in this. Now electrophile species, electrophile Br minus, when it attacks on this CH2, that is R alkyl group is present there, and OH2 plus, when Br minus attacks on this Br CH2R plus H2O will remove from this. So when the bond between carbon oxygen is broken, then they react as electrophiles, and protonated alcohols react in this manner. So that is the difference. When OH bond is broken, alcohols behaves like a nucleophiles. When CO bond is broken, alcohols behave like the electrophiles in such a manner. Now we may divide the reactions in the two parts. One, reactions involving the cleavage of the OH bond. Reactions of these are divided in two parts. The first, reactions in which OH bond, reactions in which cleavage of OH bond is present. Reactions in which cleavage of OH bond is present. Number one, reactions in which cleavage of OH bond present. Cleavage of OH bond present. In such type of reaction, the first is acidity of the alcohols and the phenols. The first reactions in the acidity of alcohols and phenols. Acidity of alcohols and phenols. Reaction with metals. In this reaction with metals, when alcohols reacts with the metals, alcohol, and that is the sodium, when they react with the Na, 2RONA plus H2. This is the sodium alkoxide. Name of this compound is sodium alkoxide compound. We are getting in this. Now another reaction which we have, tertiary butyl alcohol. The tertiary butyl alcohol CH3OH, and this alcohol is tertiary butyl alcohol. When this tertiary butyl alcohol reacts with aluminium, the components which we get, twice CH3O and aluminium plus 3H2. So product which we are getting, aluminium tertiary butoxide. The name of this, aluminium tertiary butoxide aluminium tertiary butoxide we get by this reaction. If the phenols reacts with the metals, how they produce their products. So we have some reactions of the phenols there, how they produce their products. When we react the phenol, this is the benzene ring of phenol. When the phenol reacts with the sodium metal, sodium phenoxide ion will produce. Sodium phenoxide ion will produce, and hydrogen gas is released. So that is sodium phenoxide ion which we produce there in this reaction. Another reaction, if we react the phenol with the NaOH. NaOH is sodium hydroxide, and when it reacts with the NaOH, it also produces the sodium phenoxide, and release of the water molecule takes place in this. Release of the water molecule takes place in this particular reaction. From the above given reactions, what conclusion we are getting in this particular topic? That alcohol and phenols are acidic in nature. Alcohol and phenols are acidic in nature. They are acidic in nature, and alcohol and phenols are Bronsted acids. Bronsted acids, they are having the nature of the Bronsted acid. They can donate a proton to a stronger base. They can donate a proton to stronger base. They can donate a proton to stronger base. In this condition, what kind of equation we have? The base which has a lone pair negative charge, that is considered as a base. When it reacts with the alcohols, and alcohols are behaving with the nature of the Bronsted acids, where lone pair of the electrons are present. When this kind of reaction happens, the conjugate will form, and this conjugate is conjugate acid, and the another conjugate which we get is conjugate base. So this is conjugate acid, and this is conjugate base. This is conjugate acid, and this is conjugate base, which we have in that particular case, related to the behavior reactions with the metals. Now, when we compare the acidity order of the alcohols, what we have in this, the acidity order of alcohols, just see what included in this acidity of alcohols. What included in this? Primary, secondary, tertiary. The nature of the acidity are CH2OH, CH double R OH, and in the tertiary 3 alkyl groups are present on the carbon atom OH. So in this condition, the acidic character of alcohols is due to the polar nature of the OH bond. Polar nature of OH bond. Polar nature of the OH bond is responsible for the acidic character. Electron releasing groups like CH3, electron releasing groups like CH3, CH2, CH3, ethyl increases the electron density on oxygen. Increases electron density on oxygen. Increases electron density on oxygen. Electron density on oxygen, tending to decrease in polarity of OH bond, which decrease the polarity of the alcohol and decrease in the acidic strength So as such, the alkyl groups increases in the alcohols, the polarity will decrease. Here the 3 alkyl groups are present, so less polar, 2 alkyl groups and 1 alkyl group. So as the alkyl group increases, the polarity will decrease, acidic behavior will decrease in such cases. Thank you.